It is March 26th, 2020. This is my daily recap video. Today I took one trade, JD, a 1 minute opening range breakout. There was a lot of stocks on the watch list today, so I didn't see this until it was about right here at 43.08 or something, or 43.15, something like that. But when I did look, I saw this big green candlestick on the 1 minute chart that closed above all these, the averages and the VWAP here, above the pre-market high and low, these pinkish, purplish dashed lines, dotted lines, um, and the way it was moving, the price action, this red bar here, the way it was moving looked pretty good to me too. So by the time I decided to get in and figure out which hotkey to press, for shares, it went up some more. And it wasn't moving quite as nicely by that time, but I got in anyway. So really, I didn't get a good entry here. It was, look how far above or how far from the bottom of the candle it is. I should have got in, somewhere. As soon as I saw it like this, I should have got in. But I was too slow and I hesitated a bit. So I could have paid for that, but fortunately I didn't. It went up. It got around my 10-cent profit, but then it jumped up pretty quickly, even higher. So I took profit there. And then it started coming down. So I took some more off, and then finally, before I had moved my stop loss to break even, so I got out the rest there when I came to that point, so that I wouldn't lose anything on that trade. So it was a decent trade. I mean, other than the entry, I guess. The profit wasn't much, $7.75. Of course, there's four tickets here, so that's $4 away from that. So $3 today. But I'm glad I got out though, because if you look, it really went down pretty far after that. Let me change the 2-minute chart here. Yeah, so it's still hanging out down there. So overall, a decent trade, not bad. I can't complain. It was, it's a green day. A lot of people were struggling today, and a lot of the other stocks that were on the watch list they're pretty choppy. So I was fortunate to get in here and have a nice little, a decent trade here. So that's good. I'm happy about that. This is my first and only trade of the week so far. So, that's kind of interesting. So I'm green for the week, I guess you could say, technically. So that's good. We'll see what happens tomorrow.